So in the first video, we built the college type. Then we added some fake data for it, and we displayed that inside of the home screen. In the second video, we really just spent the whole time talking to AI and prompting it to build out our Redux solution. In this third video, I want to cover what it's going to be doing from Redux. All right, so right now on this homepage, we have fake data colleges. What I want to do is instead of using fake data, I want the ability to add the data myself through a modal, through a pop-up. So it's working on that. Once I add it, I need a way to view it. Typically, previously we viewed the data, the colleges through this home page. I want to keep that the same, but instead of using fake data, I want to use Redux, and we can see that it's taking it out here. Now the question is, how is it stored in Redux? So this is our src/store folder. We have a couple different slices inside of Redux. We have, and for right now, all we care about is the dumps slice. So what I talked about in that last video is creating a dump slice for colleges. This is just a big object with a key value pair. Again, there is an ID on the college type, and that's unique across all colleges, so a randomly generated ID from Firebase, which we'll use eventually. As we come across colleges, as we create colleges, we are just adding them to this Redux dump. Now, we don't want thousands of colleges stored in here because that is, maybe not the best on terms of like performance and stuff like that. But we can have a couple hundred colleges inside of here that are relevant to me and not have to worry about data loading performance or anything like that. So we create a college, we grab a college from Firebase, we store it inside of the dump. What that allows us to do is access that dump from the rest of our application. And we do that by using this useAppSelector hook, which we create inside of src/store/hooks, which is just a way to tap into our Redux store with the type of root state. And this performs get state. Get state uses store. Store is in here. Store is a value for configure store, which is provided by Redux, which just says, hey, I'm a big object. I'm a big piece of data. I'm a local database. And the tables that I have are declared inside of the reducer. And if I go into the reducer, we can see that we have a couple tables are called Redux slices. One being colleges, one being the app for things like config values and stuff like that. And then as we create the builder and as we create the college, we'll work through this and we'll work through this. So all of that results in the home page where I can now access colleges. And this is more of a dynamic flow.